me not going too stocky.
Hey Bosco.
Hi!
Jasper, look, welcome to Block Tishi Cahir.
Hi, Mihal.
And we'll to Ray on DMC Anulum.
Just to echo August Falcha a stock. Oh my god, he's okay for August for Watlum the Ganzi.
Say Bosco, I am a bit starstruck. I'm a bit nervous because you're probably my biggest childhood hero.
Oh, that's very nice of you to say that.
Care to be your show, look, it's Riv and Postchin.
I was just young. That's all.
Tá sé inta cinlín spéisiú le cais leatsa Bosco mar bhí tosa I gobar le réine óga óna nachatí, óna hochtatí, agus tá tú gobar le daine óga ón látá nniuhon. A bhfuil mar an differ idir réine óga sa látá nniuhon I gcompass le daine óga sa lá a bhíon.
No, I don't think they've changed, but I think the world has changed. Well, I think that it was a lot better because they didn't have this big thing called celebrities. Everybody was just the same doing their job. Now you can be a celebrity for picking your nose.
Agus yeah, ein team gohile agus am an lap tá sé te ahan rod ein digital aniu. Ceir na capan tosa faoin technoliaach tú hain.
Neil Mayer Instagram. Cause I don't change my clothes very often.
Oh, yeah,
I think you have to be wearing a different thing every day to be on Instagram.
Agus dói fásta go tú gafa leis a bheith obair leis an cearnach Laura Lynn, so inis tom faoin obair atá agus an obair a bhíonn siúil agad sa láfa.
Well, we're trying to get everybody to recycle their old batteries because you see, all the money goes to Laura Lynn and they really, really need the money.
Ceir na capan tú faoi a lehéid Donald Trump.
Ní malam Donald Trump, ní farjate. No, I don't follow him because he just talks nonsense.
De bhíti tú féinní na ghlacu le duinear bí dón, cé bhéh son agus cé bheith.
But Watlum Féinin le David Attenborough because I think he's a great man. And if only people all around the world would listen to him.
Well, Bosco bhí sé galant a bheith cancelat. Sildan go méid nóla chonag agad hain agus tá mé cinse go bheici mé hús bhéonar nua.
Sir Amelia Mahagot Mihal agus Shannon Nundan Gwitch.
Ain't the Jasper do that.
Sir Mahagot.